Yes, cars cannot run without fuel. I know you know it. Oh, wait! Isn't it Mr. Harry? Where is he heading? Choo, choo, choo!
Choo Choo cartoon.
This is Leo. And it's his car.
Yes!
Where's he going?
Wow! Yahoo! Come fast!
Mr. Robart whistling to help Leo to cross the lake by creating a bridge. Wow! Do you see the railway is ready for you?
Yahoo!
Little Jon and Ena are here with their private jet to see Leo. Are you ready too?
Gee, hurry up!
Yahoo!
Yes!
Wow!
It's awesome! Yahoo!
It's train time! On the board! How awesome to see Mr. Rocket Train!
Yahoo!
Choo 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 choo! Wow, the bell! Oh, wait! Isn't it Mr. Harry? Where is he heading?
Yahoo!
Maybe this another training time. Oh, yes it is. Yahoo! Choo choo choo! Mr. Harry is driving the train, helping the passengers to reach their destination. Do you want to ride on too? Please join us. Choo choo choo! Yes, cars cannot run without fuel. I know you know it. It's train time!
Just a sec.
Time to change the transport.
Yahoo!
Choo choo choo! Yes, helicopter.
Booyah!
It's always fun to ride a helicopter, isn't it? Subscribe to us for more cartoon stories. Bye-bye.
Subscribe for more videos.